Hi Laksh, what are you working today?
I'm working on Fusion360
Okay, and why are you working on 360?
because I want to make my own 3D printed items.
Okay, can you show what have you made?
Yeah, I made a block which is this. So I use fillet option to do the roundings. So this is the side view, front view, back view. See here also side view, front view.
Okay, so what are these?
These
Yes, what are these?
are blocks.
Oh, nice. So you want these are like Lego blocks?
Like that, but it's not that. It's same, but little difference is there.